Hey everyone, Chad Seneschal here with Weeldi. In today's video, I wanted to share with you some of the menu options in the timeline. So I've created a recording here of an automation of a payment, and I've finished that automation. So this timeline for me goes into like the 30s or something like that. But now that I'm done with the automation, if I need to go back and edit anything, and this could be that I made a mistake while I was automating, and I can click on this timeline and I could delete an event right here. If I click that, it deletes for me. That step is now gone. Two, I need to insert some new steps in between ones that exist. So I can come back to wherever it is in my automation that I'm looking for, and I can hit the menu button right up here for actions. When you hit that button, you're going to see a few options here, and I'll walk through and explain them to you now so you'll know how to use them. So play to here, record from here. So the reason that it's play to here is because you're not just editing a movie, you're actually interacting with a live website. So we can't really just jump back in time and then start interacting with it in the middle of what we had already done. It needs to build up to there. So if I need to insert a recording right here for a few extra steps, I would hit this top button. It'll play the automation from the beginning, doing all the steps that you originally did until it gets to this point. Then it will let you record going forward. Then you can stop, and then it will continue with the additional steps after that. The second one down, restart and play up to here, that is just for you to be able to verify that it's worked. So one, did it navigate through the website correctly the way that you expected it to? View and edit this. There's a separate video on the capabilities here, but that would be how to make a step optional or to look for alternate solutions on the page. So if you didn't get the right result, if the recorder didn't record the correct thing, you could look for alternate ways to have it identify what you were looking for. Insert a low code event after this event. So if I needed to insert some low code to clarify a CAPTCHA or to get past two-factor authentication or to really explain something on the site that is more than what can be recorded, that's how I add that. And then let's say that I have made a mistake down the road and I just need to go back to this point and start from here, record from here, and not keep any of the rest of it. Then I can use the bottom one, delete and record from here. So those are some options on what you can do from the timeline, and hopefully that makes your life easier by being able to edit a template from this timeline versus needing to record the whole thing again. All right, hope that helps. Happy automating.